Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the 5-year plan first, then about the Indian democracy. Now, 5-year plan. The first 5-year plan was adopted by the Soviet Union (USSR), which was later followed by many countries like India. India 5-year plan was adopted from USSR. India also adopted from the USSR. India first PM Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was also influenced by the Soviet model of centralized planning. The Planning Commission was set up in 1950. The first 5-year plan was presented for a period of 1951 to 1956. Since 1951, the country has seen 12 5-year plans. In 2015, the Planning Commission was replaced by the Niti Aayog. The new name of Planning Commission now it is Niti Aayog, which was changed in 2015. Now, Indian democracy. After independence, India opted democracy, the path of democracy. And my dear student, it was necessary to a system where every section of society would be represented in India, especially every community's religion and language would enjoy equal status. Our democratic government has also protected the interest of the backward section of the society. That's why India opted democracy after independence. Since 1947, India has had 14 prime ministers. The first was, as you know, Jawaharlal Nehru. The first prime minister of India was Jawaharlal Nehru of the Indian National Congress Party, who was on 15th August 1947 when India gained independence from the British Raj, serving until his death in May 1964. Means the Congress under Jawaharlal Nehru controlled the reins of government after independence till 1964. Jawaharlal Nehru remains India's longest serving prime minister. But the year of 1967 proved to be a turning point when some state parties or regional parties came into prominence. Actually, this was a period of actual democratization of Indian politics. Actual democratization means some regional parties also formed government in some states. My dear student, the general election of 1967 marked the end of an era in Indian politics, the era of the unchallenged supremacy of the Indian National Congress, and it had occasionally lost control of individual states. As you know, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, who became the first woman prime minister in India in 1966, first woman prime minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, she imposed state of emergency in India in 1975 for the 2 years. Means emergency time period was from 1975 to 1977. But during emergency, fundamental rights are suspended. What happened at a time of emergency? The fundamental rights are suspended. This means that the state can take any action and people have no recourse. During emergency, thousands of people from the opposition were arrested and press was censored. But in 1977 general election, the ruling Congress lost control of India for the first time from the 1947 to 1977. Congress ruled in India, but in general election in 1977, first time Congress lost control of India in India, and Janata Party formed the government. But they could not sustain their government. Now, what do you mean by coalition form of government? Coalition form of government means if a single party does not have a majority to form a government, then two or more parties join to form the government. This is known as coalition form of government. For example, Haryana, BJP and JJP formed coalition government because BJP or any other political parties didn't get the majority in election. So, at present in Haryana, there is a coalition form of government. You can take the example of Maharashtra also. In Maharashtra also, coalition form of government. My dear student, India has a multi-party system with a large number of political parties competing to attain power at the center as well as in the state. Therefore, like all other federal systems of the world, India too has two kinds of political parties. Some at the national level and the others at the state or regional level. We will take the example of national political parties like INC, Indian National Congress, BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, CPI, Communist Party of India, etc. are some examples of national political parties. And some other political parties like Bahujan Samaj Party, Shiromani Akali Dal, JJP, National Conference, etc. are the example of regional or state parties. Thank you and have a nice day.